Hi guys, so today I'm going to unbox this Leaning Neo Shuttle, which is a 6 in 1 pack. I bought it from Flipkart for around 350 rupees. So I'll unbox it. Comes nicely in this box, and I've heard people saying that this is better than the Yonex 200i. 200i, I mean this shuttle, Mavis 200i. So I will play from this shuttle and I will tell you in the next video. I'll be telling you the differences between this shuttle Yonex 200i and this Adrenex shuttle. So on to the unboxing now. Okay, is the bill, and this comes nicely wrapped in this vibrant black and green pack. Okay, so here is a tape. No tampering, no plastic over it, just a tape. And you remove this. Okay, now also let's see the MRP. I think MRP is not printed on this. So fast shuttle is red cap, middle shuttle is blue cap, and slow shuttle is green cap. And this is a slow shuttle, yellow. Here is written green cap for slow, and this is yellow. They've advertised that yellow is a slow as well as a normal shuttle. So here are the shuttles, 6 shuttles, and this feels a premium product. The cork is really nice. I mean, if you compare it with the Yonex shuttle, I think Yonex shuttle will still hold a upper hand, but still I've not played from it, so I won't say anything. But I've heard people saying that this shuttle is far more better than any Yonex shuttle, this nylon version. So let's see. You can see the difference. The wing of Yonex shuttle and the wing of this shuttle. It's really fancy, and these material, they are very large in number. This material I'm talking about, these wings, it's very delicate. And this is the pores for the wing grip technology. Remember, for the nylon shuttle, this wing grip technology is only the technology which helps the shuttle to be stable. So the pores are fine. Now I'll just play from it and tell you how it goes. So this is your shuttle. Okay, so here it is, guys. I've used this shuttle, this Leaning Neo shuttle, for one day, and this is how it goes. You can see the wings, they are not broken, and the shuttle is still intact. And I really play some hard hitting shots. My partner also, we play doubles. So this is what it is. I think this is a better shuttle than this Yonex 200i. Comparing all of these, when comparing to the comparison part, I would recommend this shuttle to you, this Neon shuttle. This is a new product. Parsley, I think Leaning shuttle are not good than this Yonex shuttles, but I think this Neo shuttle of Leaning, this is very competitive, and I think this is far more superior than this Yonex shuttle. For 350 rupees at Flipkart and 450 rupees on Amazon, you can't ask for anything else. Now, okay, one thing more. People say that this shuttle is a bit heavy than the Xiaomi shuttle. I would agree about this. Yes, this is a more heavy shuttle than any Ionic shuttle or any Adrenic shuttle. But this shuttle travels very slowly. So this is a slow shuttle, and this will travel slowly than this Ionic shuttle, but it will have pinpoint precision when talking about the shots. So this is the condition of the shuttle after one day of use. This is a Yonex 200i. This I've used this shuttle for 2 days and see what is the condition. The wings are really broken. So if your game is really hard, This Yonex 200i shuttle, this will break easily, but this Neon shuttle, hats off. What a product, I think. Now this Adrenax shuttle, I mean, what a trash this is. I've used this shuttle for one day. The weight balance of the shuttle and the wings, these are so bad. I mean, yeah, this comes for 250 rupees, but you can't advertise that as a professional shuttle because it's not. It's a trash. You can expect a shuttle for around 10 or 20 rupees. A 10 or 20 rupee shuttle will also be really really good than this. So I would never recommend you to buy this. If you are a professional player, please go for it. Please go for it. Please don't buy this shuttle, this Adrenax shuttle. This is a waste of a material. Also, if you are a beginner, don't go for this. Also, if you are playing for recreational purposes, don't go for it, because playing from these shuttles, it will just degrade your mood. So this is how it goes. I just hope that this review will prove beneficial for you. Out of all these shuttles, please go for this, my personal favorite leading shuttle. And for your convenience, this video is not sponsored. This is my personal view upon it. So if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching.